This is, you have to see it, guys. Whoa. I don't want to go out there. I'm staying under the, in the breeze, under the roof here. Like, I'm in the breezeway, but like, pretty cool, right? Look at this. Thank God there will be no fires here. Cause you know, the wildfires, but yeah. I like that. The wind feels like it's blowing 17 miles an hour maybe. And like, it's raining, pouring really hard. Stay inside, don't let your kids go outside. Drive safely, and yeah, for me it's foggy. I feel like you can only see not even a mile. You can't, like, you can only see several meters in front of you. You can't really see that far. Look it out, look. It's like, I'm just filming the rain. So, here we go, guys. And how are we gonna upload this? So here we go. Not like I haven't seen this before, but it's been so dry that now it's raining and it's amazing filming it. Woo! And I'm waiting to be picked up by my mom. So I don't drive or have a driver's license or have a car. See, the poor people not prepared. You gotta have a raincoat or an umbrella, which I do not have anything. It smells kind of like El Nino, or yeah, it smells like salt water, even though it's all the way in Gwinnett. This is Gwinnett Technical College, and I am Sunny D. Curls. And there's people out here like being like getting rained on. With people, just random people in the breezeway being sprayed, and then the people out there being completely soaked. Oh, it's cold. It feels like it's somewhere in the 50s, like the temperature, you know. Anyway, so this is my home. This is my weather broadcast by myself here, but I'm waiting to get their ride home, and I'm gonna say bye now. Oh man, really amazing, guys. Oh, it's cold. I need it. Stay as warm and safe as possible. Alright.